Hello, 25 degrees, 8:23 a.m. Martin Luther King Day, a holiday for some. Schools are out, so no snow day. All the government people that had the day off don't have to worry about getting out in this mess. I have 13 inches of snow right here on my balcony. I measured it. So we've had, well, there was 2 storms that were predicted so far. Well, really 3 storms that were predicted so far this season. And the first 2 were duds. This one wasn't supposed to hit me, and it did. So basically I've had 3 strikes with storms. One, they said I was going to get 3 to 5 inches. I got a trace. The other, I was supposed to get 3 to 5 inches. I got about an inch, if that. This one was supposed to stay east of me, and it didn't. This area has 10 to 14 inches of snow. Tape measure right here showed me 13 inches. You can see the snow on the cars down there. How high it is on the roof, from the top of that window, top of that door frame, then top of that roof. How much snow is on there in that red car. There's a car out here a little while ago that was stuck. I'm glad I don't have to go out in this today, or didn't have to get up at 4 or 5 in the morning and go to work. Now that I am retired, it's nice I don't have to get up and go out in this. Visibility is bad, and it's still snowing and blowing and cold. The turnpike over here, Interstate 80, is moving really slow. There goes a semi right going by over there. So that's the turnpike right over there through the trees. You can see there's no cars or trucks going by. Traffic is light and it's moving very slow. Turnpike's over here too, right there, through the trees there. You see nothing. Nope, there goes a car. There goes another one. So, Strongsville, Ohio, Cuyahoga County, close to Cleveland and Lake Erie. Quite a storm. Parking lot's buried. Cars having a tough time. I have to laugh. These young guys that take their cars, a lot of them are Hondas or Toyotas or Nissans, mostly Hondas, and they lower the suspension. They lower the whole frame, the whole chassis of the car, damn near touching the ground, real tough suspension, real low to the ground. And then there's no way they can get out in this. Absolutely no way. Cars over there are barely, they stopped. Cars right there and the trucks are stopping right there right now. I-80, Interstate 80, Ohio Turnpike. Truck went by, but there's cars that are stopped, so something going on where at least one of the lanes isn't moving. But yeah, these guys that lower their cars where they're damn near hugging the ground, and their tires, they really have no wheel well space. No space for the snow to be getting stuck up in the wheel wells. They can't drive those cars in this weather. So if they only have one car, they're screwed. I laugh when I see these people with these cars that are just hugging the ground and no wheel well space. Gotta have a 4-wheel drive mostly today if you want to get around, but certainly those road huggers aren't getting anywhere today. Yeah, there's something going on at the turnpike where these cars and trucks now are struggling to get by right there. That truck's barely moving.